got a new car. I just got a new penthouse. I'm about to get a new salon suite. I'm in freaking Walmart, like, ew, what the fuck. But I'm only here because I was gonna go to TJ Maxx to get candles and a blanket for my suite, and then I was gonna have to go to Publix to get snacks. But when I was driving, I seen it was Walmart, so I'm like, I might as well just go there and just kill it all. So I'm here. Ew, keep a wet wipe in case a bum try to touch me. Yeah. Y'all, so he just mounted the TV. He does hide cords, but I'm about to put a clothing rack right here underneath it anyway, so you're not gonna be able to see the cord, I don't think. But the TV is mounted. Left Walmart, got all these snacks. It was $134, so y'all better eat it. Ain't no bring no food to the appointment. Food at the salon. I'm now done with the snacks. I had to have snacks because I feel like my clients pay enough to have like a whole luxury experience. This my type of living. Pulled up in that train car and start spinning. Got a bad bitch, wanna suck with this, start spinning. I'm in love with it, I'm killing. I'm in love with it, all the killers. The bad bitches wanna kill us. The model bitches done did them. Big blood taste Skittles. You're a little boy, yeah, you little. On the side where the bros at. My back end, get your whole back. Got the junkies knocking on the door. At some Cardi with a dope bag. And on my side with that bitch shit on me, yeah, where you cold at? Take a pic of this drum. Better go and grab your cold at. I put a whole phone. Today is a moving day. The news is I just got a new penthouse. So I'm moving into now. It's a 2-bedroom penthouse. It's literally the same amount that I'm paying now. Stupid, but I want what I want, and I'll pay the price. I don't care. I want what I want.
with my bestie.
Hello. Y'all know we celebrating tonight.
We're celebrating because why?
I just passed the state exam, and Jasmine just moved to a new place, so we're celebrating.
Period. I have hookah. I just don't have like shisha and stuff.
Wait. You have hookah?
I just thought about it when you said that.
I have shisha and I got codes.
My hookah in there, down there.
We could have definitely been smoking some hookah.
But okay, y'all. I'm about to celebrate and just call it a night. I'm about to go to Target and I'm about to get some stuff. I'm gonna get whatever I need. I don't know exactly what I need, but I'm gonna get it. I ain't gonna get too much because me and my homeboy supposed to be going home shopping tomorrow, and I want to save the fun for the end. But let's go.
Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but
I got a new car. I'm getting my car washed right now, and I'm gonna show y'all when I'm done how it looks. It's a couple features that I love about my car. I like how if a car, you know how like you got your head down on your phone in like a stop sign or something like that, if the car in front of you go, it's gonna tell me. And then the car drives by itself. I just be chilling. The car just do what it do. I like how it got cameras in my dashboard, so when I put my left or right blinker on, I don't have to like look or nothing. I just look right at the camera. It's gonna show me everything in the bag. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. And I love like the LED lights when it's nighttime.
friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair.
Okay, so I just grabbed some pizza because I'm hungry and my hair bad. I want to just get on here and talk to y'all real quick about why I'm moving, why I decided to start my life over. So a lot of you guys, well, some of y'all know, or some of y'all might not know, that I was like in a domestic violence relationship. I just had like a lot of bad memories at that house, and every day that I was walking around, I was kind of getting reminded of it. My car had a lot of bad memories in my car. Like, it's just like, how am I supposed to heal in the same environment that I was abusing? You know what I'm saying? I was like, okay, I'm about to find a penthouse. I'm about to get a new car. I'm about to get a new Salon suite. I'm about to open a new business. Like, I want an entire new life for myself. I want this healing journey to be, this new healing journey to be personal, because I deserve it for myself. That's why I decided to get on everything and become like a whole new person, a better version of myself, I say. Am I dating right now? It's like I'm not. I am. It's like I'm getting my feet wet, if that makes sense. Like, I'm like, I don't know. I am allowing guys to court me though. Like, I am allowing guys to buy me stuff, take me out, hang out, you know, stuff like that. My dating life has been going pretty good. I like him a lot. He's real fine. But y'all, we'll see. I don't want to be in a relationship no time soon, but like, I don't want nobody. I don't want to be in a relationship with nobody. Don't tie Jasmine to nobody. Like, I started this new life September 1st. As soon as I moved, I went on a flight to Miami that same day. So I kind of like opened up my new healing journey in Miami with my first trip this year, and that was so much fun. I was able to be myself. I loved it basically. It was kind of hardcore. It was like a sneaky vacation. I don't know what to call it. I don't know, but my friend, that's why I call all the dudes I talk to. My friend, he took me out of town, and I just felt like that was real good to him, because I wasn't having a good day that I moved in. That's why they put me in the wrong unit. My movers broke my TV, my dresses, everything, but he ended up buying me new everything regardless or whatever. Like, he real sweet. I fuck with him. Fuck with him hard. I just got back like 3 days ago. I was in Miami for like a week. Now I'm trying to like unpack everything. After I like get my home together, buy a few items and stuff, that's when I want to start doing new things. Like I want to go to yoga. I have a mentor. She's like a coach or whatever like that, a mental health coach. She has like this little healing journey she wants me to do. She got like this planned meal prepping, breakfast and stuff, and lunch and dinner that she wants me to do. I'm going to be like one of her first models just to see how it goes and test that out for her. So I'm gonna do all of that once my house is completed, so I can feel 100% together. Like I don't want to be doing yoga with a box next to me, so I'm trying to hurry up and get that out the way. Plus I have to launch my pajama set too. I want to do that sometime next week. Yeah, that's why I've been missing for a minute. Like it's kind of hard to come on the camera when you're going through so much, like emotionally. Like I feel like I'm on the camera like that without y'all, like, you know, peeping stuff, and I'm very proud of you, get what I'm saying? So that I feel great. I'm loving everybody that's in my life right now. I'm fucking with everything. And what I do want to know is what the fuck this nigga in front of me looking at. That's what I want to know. That's the only question I have in life right now. That's an honest life update, and it took me so long to debate if I wanted to talk about it. I mean, I'm not even going into detail like I could, but it took me a minute to see if I wanted to talk about it or not, because like it's a very touchy subject, and I'm like known for being playful. So for me to talk about something so serious, kind of touchy for me. Me and him don't have no beef with each other. I don't have no beef with nobody. I forgive everybody. I just want peace. That's all. But yeah, that's my life update. I'm about to finish eating this food that I'm struggling to eat because I got my wisdom tooth going in, and I'm about to curl this girl hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm at home. I think I found a rug for the living room. My living room is cream and black, so I'm about to show y'all. I'm over it at this point, honestly. And I also got this little pumpkin pillow. I'm gonna just give y'all a haul when I'm done, but I just started, so we got like a little while to go. Let me tell y'all, if y'all need to find rugs, bring y'all ass to at home. They got hella rugs. They always got rugs. I always get my rugs from here. They're not too high. It's different varieties. Because Ross and Home Goods failed me today, and I'm pissed about it. Today is another day. I have not been feeling well, so my place still looks a hot mess. Y'all, this vegan food is so good. It's super spicy. Woo! I bet it's super good. Like, let me show y'all again. I don't know exactly what type of plant it is, but it tastes just like chicken. Personally, it reminds me of Gardein. I made that before, and I made some buffalo chicken wraps, and it was real good. But I'm about to just finish eating this, take a nap and lay down because I don't feel good. So I was gonna be vegan, and I still am, but yeah, they didn't have any vegan ground beef, so I just got the real one. Yeah, that sucks. But it's Taco Tuesday. I'm still not in a good mood. So because of that, I'm gonna have like a mini Taco Tuesday to try to make myself happy. Cause you can't just stay in a funk. You gotta get out of it. You gotta get out of it. You gotta get out of it for real. Like out of it. This the pots and pans I got from Amazon. This is the cutest. What? Wait. White granite non-stick cookware. What? Look at the tops. The cute little wooden tops. They 8. Is this not cute? Hi guys, so I'm about to go out to eat with my girl. Oh, okay. Cause I thought a fought nigga text me. I'm just playing. He did. But it's about y'all right now. Anyway, child, I'm out with my girl, so that's all who seems to like me. I know I just told you on the last vlog I went on a date. He's still cool, but I'm just mad at him right now. He is. You know how we be doing like so bad. Missing Bay right now.
My girl is stealing him, y'all. Can't y'all tell?
Not too fucking much, Tasha. A movie bag got me fucked up. I can't stand when niggas go so long without talking to me. Just go on for the nigga, get it over with. That's how I be feeling when. That's how I be feeling when niggas be going missing. Go on for that bitch and get it over with. Like, go on for that bitch and get it over with. My package has arrived in Los Angeles. I can never launch COZÖ because my packaging is still in Los Angeles. Do I need to go get it?
There must be something going on in Los Angeles.
Girl, they pissing me off. But I'm with the gang, I'm with the mob. What were you thinking? And we about to go to Little Alley. And then it's my homegirl birthday, so her man is buying her a section today at Blue Lagoon. And not Blue Lagoon, Buckhead Saloon.
No! Stop it!
At Buckhead Saloon, so you already know the vibe.
Blue Lagoon, like.
Yeah, that's crazy. Do you know you have to pay for that? I thought you just can go in free will. Blue Lagoon in Ireland.
Oh, it is an island. Tell you.
You have to pay.
To get in? I'm sure.
I thought it was free. You know that's like the safest place in the world.
Where, Ireland? So this
No, Iceland.
Iceland.
I think it's in Iceland.
I'm sure. Get your facts straight before they come to you and come.
Yeah, because I'm gonna fight y'all. I fight.
From Iceland, we'll hit you up like house.
Okay, bitch, I'm from Birmingham, so it's good. No, I'm just playing. No, I'm not. But like, I think it's Iceland. It's Iceland. Ireland, where is that at? Is that what Irish means? Yeah, I'm gonna edit that out. I'm gonna edit that out. Okay, ladies, to your man at home. The club is for the ballers and their pockets real grown. And all your fellas in, yeah, because I'm gonna do this club is